My name is Rubithra of Gnanapragasam and my metric number is 211302821. So today I'm going to demo a lab 3. So the first question is task 1, get a IP address. The task 1 show that how the Java is used to connect the IP address of state website. It use get by name method to get the IP address of Unimap website state. So let's go the demo. Run file. So it show that www.unimap.com/10.0.6.2. So it's built successfully. The second task is write a Java program to print the domain name of the website location on IP address 125.56.234.151. So let's go to task 2 of output. What name Java? What name Java? So it shows that the domain of the IP address is 125.56.234.151. Second is write a Java program to out that find out and print out they are the same website. So let's go share server. Share server, run file. So this is the output. They are same website built successfully. Okay, the next task is Microsoft had to store their computer website on server. Write a Java program to identify all the server IP address. So let's go share domain. Run file. So it's show that there are 5 type of IP address and it's built successfully. So the last question is create a Java program which is able to serve as an internet address checker. It show as list of this. There are 6 type of menu. So let's go check address check, run file, and it show that there are 6 menu. So build successfully. Thank you.